And welcome to Baguio, guys. This is the head of lion. Up. So this is the lion's head. What's up mga guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Junito Marinado Vlog. And for today's video, we're just arrived here at the Lion's Head. Welcome to Baguio. So guys, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and click the bell button so that updated tayo sa mga videos natin, Junito Marinado Vlog. So tara guys! It's that line. Ayan, bangin na naman guys. Gawa na nila tutuloy natin. Grabing bangin dito guys, sobrang bangin. And this is the end of Cannon Road, guys. So dadaan tayo ng tunnel guys, kung merong
tunnel na dito? Oo, may tunnel na pala rito.
Ay, nakadaan na kami dati rito.
Sa Marcos Highway yan.
Marcos Highway.
Bagong bago. Sarap.
Tunnel.
Lalagyan nila ito ng CR.
May magpa-picture na yan sa sunod. So yan na guys, at malapit na kami sa ulo ng leon. Ayan guys, dito na kami magpa-parking. And welcome to Baguio, guys. This is the head of lion. So, at ayan na guys, at nandito na kami sa Baguio, and this is the lion head. So ayan guys ang aming team sa the other side. Okay, ready? Compress kayo. 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And what's up mga guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Junito Marinado Vlog. And for today's video, we're here at the Lion's Head. Welcome to Baguio. So join us guys for the tour. Strawberry guys.
Strawberry ice cream.
Strawberry ice cream. Magkano ang strawberry ice cream?
50 sir.
50 pesos na lang guys. Strawberry ice cream. Wow! welcome to Baguio.
Alright! Say hello!
So ito guys, yung sa kabilang angle, the Lion Head. So this is the Lion's Head. Guys, mag-pictorial 10 pesos. At babalik na kami sa car. And that's our quick walking tour here at the Lion's Head. Welcome to Baguio. Huwag na natin kalimutan mag-subscribe and click that bell button so that updated tayo sa videos natin. Junito Marnado Vlog. And our next itinerary is the Camp John Hay.